Today, we have the Tecno Camon 30 Pro, a smartphone designed to revolutionize your mobile photography experience. First, come up with the design and display. The Tecno Camon 30 Pro boasts a stunning 6.8-inch full FHD Plus display with 144 Hz refresh rate, providing immersive visuals with vibrant colors and sharp details with 1080 by 2436 resolution. Its sleek and slim design with a minimal bezel and a curved glass back looks elegant and offers a comfortable grip. Also, the fingerprint sensor is conveniently placed under the display for quick and secure unlocking. Did I mention the selfie camera? The 50-megapixel AI selfie camera ensures your self-portraits are always on point with enhanced details, sharpness, and natural skin tones with the help of LED flash. Camera department, the Camon 30 Pro takes mobile photography to new heights, offering an exceptionally impressive camera setup. 50-megapixel main camera, capture high-resolution optical stabilization, f1.9 aperture photos with incredible clarity and detail. It enhances your facial features, improves skin tones, and provides stunning results even in low-light conditions. 50-megapixel ultra-wide, PDAF, and 2-megapixel depth sensor, perfect for portrait mode shots with beautiful bokeh. AI enhancements ensure that your photos look their best in any lighting condition. Whether it's a scenic landscape or a close-up shot, the Camon 30 Pro delivers dual LED flash HDR, panorama video record at 4K 60fps, 1080p 30fps, HDR. The Tecno Camon 30 Pro doesn't compromise on performance. Powered by a robust MediaTek Dimensity 8200 Ultimate 5G processor and paired with 256GB 12GB RAM and 512GB 12GB RAM, it delivers smooth multitasking, effortless app switching, and seamless performance, ensuring you can enjoy even the most demanding games and applications without any lag. It runs on the latest Android iOS 14, providing a user-friendly and intuitive interface. Coming to the juice battery section, with its massive 5000 mAh battery, the Camon 30 Pro offers long-lasting battery life. This 70 watts fast charging support ensures you spend less time plugged in and more time enjoying your device. The Tecno Camon 30 Pro is priced competitively and offers excellent value for its impressive features and performance. It can be purchased from authorized Tecno retailers and online platforms, available in two colors: Iceland Basaltic Dark, Arts Alps Snowy Silver. There you have it, the Tecno Camon 30 Pro, a smartphone that redefines mobile photography with its exceptional camera system, powerful performance, and long-lasting battery life. If you're passionate about capturing stunning moments and desire a high-performing device, the Camon 30 Pro should be on your list. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with the latest tech reviews. And if you have any questions or want to see specific features in action, drop them in the comments below. Until next time, tech aficionados.